Ford met up with Kirko at his fabricating shop and discovered the passion behind his knife-making trade.
Well, it all started my passion for hunting.
Montana native Scott Kirko of Howling Forge handcrafts unique tactical knives. Kirko started fabricating steel at 18 years old. He began forging blades because he wanted to build a better quality knife.
Why does a saw blade cut through a 2-inch piece of steel and it will still cut your finger? But a knife, when you're using on an animal, it doesn't. It gets dull very quick. So that's how I got involved in it, saying there can be a better knife. I luckily found a man that was my mentor, John Reynolds, had made knives for 40 years. He taught me the fine art of making knives.
Each knife is unique. Some can take many hours to make.
5 hours to 50 hours, all depending on how fancy, how different, and how big.
Kirko uses exotic materials from different countries like wood from Africa, curly koa Hawaiian wood, ancient whalebone, and Montana native woods like box elder burl to create the handles on his knives.
But everything has part of me in it.
Kirko built his own forge, reaching up to 1900 degrees. Kirko customized an old trip hammer used to press the steel to the specific shape he wants.
To make a knife is not work in my eyes. It's a love. It's a passion. It's not work. Work is something you don't always enjoy. This is something I enjoy.
They're just...
Yeah, that's beautiful.
They're a piece of art, and I call it functional art.
Seeing the intricacy of the shape of the steel blade, detailed handles, to the flower design in the blades, it's clear that Kirko puts his heart and soul into every knife.
That I know when I'm gone, I've left something here on this planet. And they will be used for hunting long when I am gone, and that's my passion.
In Helena, Lindsay Ford, MTN News.